away with scissors. That was probably bad. Hey, welcome back to BmoreNatural. CurlBox! Another CurlBox. I haven't done an unboxing in so long. So, I try not to look, because you know online it'll show you after so long, or you get the email from CurlBox telling you what's in it. We gonna unbox this video. Okay. Ooh. Think it's gonna be a can too, y'all. It's a can too. Okay, so this is a thick hair edge brush. I don't know about this brush because if y'all can see, it's got the bristles that I'm accustomed to, and then it's got these hard ones. I don't know if I want to put them on my edges. Let's see what we got though. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. This is the fashion edition. Let's see what we got here. Okay. This is definitely a Cantu box. I'm not mad at Cantu. I am a fan of Cantu's deep conditioner. That's my I definitely recommend Cantu. $5.97 in Walmart. That's my go-to. That's my staple. I use it on my hair. I use it on my boyfriend's hair. Anybody asks me about a great deep conditioner that is very inexpensive, I'm going to suggest Cantu. So, this is a pick. I'm here for it. It's a pick. It's a plastic pick. I normally use the metal. I like to pick my hair out. I like big hair, so I'm here for the anti-snag non-grip pick. Okay. Ooh. We got an easy wrap fashion band. I'm here for this. I like this. It goes on. I can wear this with my puff. Oh, I'm so here for this. I'm here for this wrap. Okay, Cantu. This is cute. It's gonna be cute. We're all black and put this on. This is dope. Okay. We got the Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair, style stay, frizz-free finisher. Say that fast 3 times. I don't know what I would use this for. It's for weightless hold for curls. Maybe when I was to straighten my hair and I curl it and you want it to stay, it's like that type of spray. Then we got a curl stretcher. Cream rinse. Minimizes shrinkage. Humidity resistant. Great for blowouts and air dry styles. So you apply this to your damp hair and you leave it in 3 to 5 minutes. It's supposed to stretch your hair. I'm gonna try it. I'm here for it. I like that they put some of the stuff in, you know, bags so your stuff don't spill out and they have to send you some more. Okay, this is the coconut curling cream. Defines, moisturizes, strengthens strands. I've used this before with something. I'm trying to remember what it was. I think it was for a wash and go maybe, but I've used this before and it was okay. I'm not a big fan. I'm not like a major fan. I'm not gonna say I won't use it, but we'll see. And edge control. I've used their edge control before, but if you know me, then you know that I am not big on edge control because my edges don't lay down with edge control. I have to use Eco Styler gel the night before or mine don't lay down. So edge control does not really work for me. This box, it's okay. I like the headband scarf thing and I really like that pick. And I'm here for you got some tools in this box, so I'm not mad at it. When you think about Cantu is a good product, but it's very inexpensive. And when you think about CurlBox, I want to get stuff that I can't get when I walk in Walmart, or that I don't think to get when I walk in Walmart. Cantu is a staple for a lot of naturals. It's a lot of people start with Cantu because it's really inexpensive, and I like the tools I got in this box, not so much the products because I've used most of them before. It's a bug outside the window. I'm so glad it's a screen out here because I would be freaking out, okay? But anywho, I like the tools. Like I said, I will use that wrap. I will use the pick, probably using the pick tomorrow. And I'm gonna try the edge brush. I don't know. Like I said, it's got those hard bristles and I'm not sure about it. But that is all. It's gonna be a quick video. I just wanted to get this out to y'all before y'all started seeing it all online and figuring out what was in this month's CurlBox. So I'll holler at y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Be looking for more content, okay? Thanks so much for watching. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Comment some stuff you liked about the CurlBox. If you use CurlBox, if you're thinking about getting CurlBox, let me know. All right.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.